On my next vacation, I will go to Barranquilla to month of December, but it will not be possible due to lack of money. Then I am going with my family to Medellin in January. We will travel my land to know more. We are going to stay at the Hotel Dorado La 70 in the downtown city. The first day, we are going to visit the Butter Square. The second day, we are going to visit the RV Park and the Explorer Park, and we will also tour in Metrobus. The third day, I am going to buy clothes and shoes for me and for my sons in the Mall Mallorca Mega Plaza, located in Sabaneta, very close to Medellin. We will eat paisa tray and typical food of the region. Finally, we are also going to visit a nearby town called Girardota to go to the sanctuary of the fallen Lord and pray for our health.